Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to activate your Pluxee card in just a few simple steps. Whether you just received your card for the first time or need a quick refresher, this guide will have it ready to use in no time. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Type Activate Pluxee Card into the search bar and press Enter. Click on the first official link, which will take you directly to the Pluxee Consumer Activation Portal. Once the page loads, you will see a simple card activation form on your screen. First, enter your registered mobile number or your email address in the top field. I will be using an email address for this example, but just make sure to use whichever contact method is currently linked to your Pluxee account. Next, you need to enter your card reference number. If you are not sure where to find this, simply look at the side or the back of your physical Pluxee card. Type that exact number into the second box. After you have filled in your reference number, you will see a short security CAPTCHA on the screen. Type the characters exactly as they appear, and then click the green button that says Get Activation Code. Within a few seconds, Pluxee will send a unique activation code to the mobile number or email address you just provided. Go ahead and check your text messages or your inbox, retrieve that code, and type it into the confirmation prompt on your screen. And that is all there is to it. Once you confirm the code, your Pluxee card will be successfully activated and ready for your next purchase. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.